let's talk a little bit more about the cough syrup killer. For some context, Matthew Phelps unalived his wife Lauren Hugelmeyer by stabbing her 123 times and then blamed it on cough syrup. Matthew was obsessed with American Psycho. Matthew even talked to a friend about how he imagined what it would be like to take someone else's life. Matthew even cosplayed as the main character of American Psycho on his Instagram. And not to mention, they were also having marital problems. Friends said that the couple had been arguing a lot due to finances. Matthew had been spending more than the couple made, and Lauren was not happy about this. Supposedly, she was thinking about ending things.